Hope you guys enjoyed the wheel reveal. We're gonna move on now, and we're gonna get the air taken out, take the battery out, and try to fix some of these oil leaks. Let's jump into it. Alright, so we went ahead and pulled the radiator off, pulled the exhaust off, and got a good look at some of those leaks that are happening. The valve cover is leaking, the head gasket is leaking, and I believe the front main is leaking. As well, the sticker from the last time the timing belt was done was at 59,000 miles, and the car now has 125,000 miles. The first step is pulling the rest of the exhaust off, because unfortunately it has holes all through the front of it as well. And then we'll disconnect everything, and you can follow along with me. Okay, so we got some parts on order. We had mostly everything except for the timing belt and water pump. We are gonna change those out since we gotta redo the head gasket anyway, and we're getting in that deep. So we're gonna take off the exhaust manifold, the alternator, just a few things today. I don't want to do too much until all the parts get in. So let's jump into a time lapse, and you can follow along as I do that. Well, this week hasn't gone as planned. I ordered some parts on Monday, and this is now Saturday, and they still haven't shipped. The parts that I ordered were the timing belt kit, water pump, and a couple other things. I wanted to get this head gasket replaced and the timing done this week, but that didn't happen. So we're on hold until those parts come in. We didn't really get much done. I did get the exhaust manifold off. Everything surprisingly came off. Didn't strip any studs or round any nuts, except for the very last one on the catalytic converter. It did not want to come off, so I ended up using the grinder and getting that off. So we only have one stud to fix, but we do have an exhaust to build. And I'm debating whether I should buy my own TIG welder, or should we get a shop to do it. I'm voting on the TIG welder. Hopefully next week's video we get everything done that we're hoping to get done on this Liga, so we can get it back into the shop. And I've got a couple other projects I want to continue working on, and one that I really want to start working on. Thanks for coming back again and watching another episode this week with me. I know we didn't get a lot done, and if you're new to the channel, welcome. It's nice to have you here, and I hope you enjoy the content. Like I said, we're waiting on parts for the Celica, waiting on parts for the 240. I've got a couple more projects outside that I'd like to finish up. And we have the Civic that we were working on that I need to finish up and either trade for a truck or sell. Until then, don't forget to leave a comment down below. Let me know if you love it, hate it, or just want to say hi. Also, please give me a like, that really helps. And yeah, come back for more. Or click the little bell and you'll get a notification when there's another video. Don't forget to join me over on Instagram at shaker.est.84, so shaker.est.84. Yeah, we'll see you next week. Bye bye.